Hi, this is Sam Urich with Lamar Designs. Today's video is about Air Assist. Specifically, it is about whether or not you need to use Air Assist and why. Air Assist is a device that you can buy as an add-on for your xTool laser. I bought mine directly from the xTool manufacturer. It's basically an air pump that pushes air across your project piece. The sound you hear in the background right now is the actual Air Assist pump running. And when I put my finger over the nozzle, you can hear the sound change coming out of the pump. So it's a pretty good little jet of air going over your project piece. So why do we want air passing over the piece that we're cutting? Well, as a laser cuts into something like wood, it creates a vapor, fumes of wood particles burning. Those particles actually get in the way of the laser beam itself, and it causes the laser to not be nearly as powerful, so it won't cut as deeply into the piece. And there are a couple of other reasons that you want to have the Air Assist running anytime you're cutting something like wood. Those particles that are in the air, if they're not blown out of the way, they can come up and adhere to the laser head. And when that happens, you're going to need to do some extra maintenance and get that laser head cleaned off. So the two pieces that I'm showing you on the screen right now are a perfect example of the difference between having Air Assist on and it not being on. All the laser settings were exactly the same. The power, the speed, everything was exactly the same. The only difference was on the one piece that you can see didn't even get cut all the way through and is very charred, I didn't have the Air Assist running. I do highly recommend getting an Air Assist tool. Even with the limited experience I've had so far, I can see that this is going to be a worthwhile investment. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I would love to get your feedback. I especially appreciate constructive criticism so that I can make better videos. Please subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you.